Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a simple puff tutorial. I'm going to show you how I achieve this look a little bit neater since it's been a long day and with a few products.
And I'm just looking at my mirror.
And this style is very easy to achieve. Like, you don't have to have like super long hair to achieve a nice size puff. This string is what makes it big and look big. I've been doing this for a while, even when my hair was a lot shorter and I had just started like wearing my hair in its natural state because I've been natural all my life, but I used to flat iron my hair quite a bit and I had a lot of heat damage, so I had stopped straightening my hair for a whole year and just went with natural styles and stuff like that. And I would do a twist out on my hair every week, and when I got tired of it for a while, I would say it took me a minute till I did puffs because I didn't know, I just thought I had to use regular hair ties, and how thick my hair is, it would not be like, my puff would not be big enough and my head would look big. So it was a minute until I did that. But yes, you can do this when you just like, let's say, just started growing out your hair or transitioning and stuff like that. Okay, now my hair is pretty much nice and moist and stuff like that. And we're gonna take this gel. I use Eco Styler olive oil. This is the only one that I use. I've tried the red one before when I was younger and stuff like that. It was okay. It looked a little more than this one. Okay, so now we're gonna take some gel. I took about, should have showed you, but I took about like maybe that much on my fingertips, and we're gonna put it in the front.
You can use the top cap as a bit, like a little bit ticky as well, because a lot of times there's still some right here in it instead of scooping in. We're going to use this amount to go in the back. And then just like a little bit for the sides.
Next, we're gonna use the brush. I also got this brush from Walmart. You can find a gel from Walmart too, or beauty supply stores. But now we're just gonna go around and brush the areas where the gel is. Okay, that is like the most work that you're gonna do with the puff, because it's time to put the string on. Okay, so what I do is I put it around my neck, try to get it as even as possible, and then I put it up like as a guide. I put it above my ears. First thing, you tie it one loop. Okay, now you're gonna tie it again in the back, and this is when you go up and you stop high wherever you want your puff to be. So now I pull it, and I just use my fingers and push it up, and then that's when you pull the shoestrings you have in your hand to tighten it to wherever you want your puff to be. Let me see if this is good. Yes, that's good. Okay, now you're gonna tie it again, just so it stays in place. And the end pieces you're gonna tuck in somewhere in the front, just like that. So stay. Take this end piece, tuck it in. Okay, now we can do our edges and sideburns, all that stuff like that. So for my edges, sometimes I do my edges, but how big my puff been lately, I don't see the point because you can't see them anyway, so we're gonna do sideburns. I like to take like a little piece of hair that was probably too much and curl it, put some gel on it.
And just curl it. Sometimes you don't want to work right.
This is something my mom used to always do to my sideburns when we would get, me and my sister would get our hair done. I loved it. I don't know if you can see, but it starting to curl. Other side. This side does not like to act right, so I won't be surprised if it doesn't want to curl. Like, it really wants to do right.
Okay.
It's okay. Oop, boom. Okay.
And you can add your accessories, however, to complete this look. I like to put on my gold hoops because it's super cute and just hoops really, add to your appearance. Just like so easily.
Okay, y'all, so here's the finished look. I'm gonna do a whole spin around front. This is the final look. Let me know if you guys have any questions, suggestions for new videos on my hair. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay.